Welcome to the video lecture of Total Quality Management. In this particular video, we'll discuss Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award Model. Okay, the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award recognizes US organization. This is actually award model for USA. So it recognizes US organization in the business, healthcare, education and non-profit sector for performance excellence. Though this model is made for US, is this still given in your syllabus, so we have to study it. Okay, the Baldrige Award is the only formal recognition for the performance excellence of both public and private US organization given by President of United States. It is administered by the Baldrige Performance Excellence Program, which is based at and managed by National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is NIST, an agency of US Department of Commerce. Up to 18 awards may have been given annually across 6 eligible categories, that is manufacturing, service, small business, education, healthcare and non-profit. I have the data till 2016. So as of 2016, 113 awards have been presented to 116 organizations, including 7 repeated winners. Okay, I don't have the current data, but I will try to find it and provide it to you in your later classes. Okay, the Baldrige Performance Excellence Program and the associated award were established by Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Improvement Act in 1987. The program and the award were named for Malcolm Baldrige, who served as United States Secretary of Commerce during Reagan administration from 1981 until Baldrige's 1987 death in rodeo accident. In 2010, the program name was changed to Baldrige Performance Excellence Program. The award is not for a specific product or service. The Baldrige Excellence Framework has 3 parts. Okay, as you can see here, this framework has 3 parts, that is criteria for performance, core value and concept, and scoring guidelines. Okay, the framework has 3 parts, that is criteria for performance, core values, concepts and scoring guidelines. The framework serves 2 main purposes. Okay, the first purpose, as you can see here, to help organization assess their improvement efforts, diagnose their overall performance management system and identify their strengths and opportunities for improvement, and also to identify Baldrige Award recipient that will serve as a role model for the organizations in the future. Okay, the criteria for performance excellence are based on the set of core values. Those core values are system perceptive, visionary leadership, customer focused excellence, valuing people, organizational learning and agility, focus on success, managing for innovation, management by fact, societal responsibility, ethics and transparency, and delivering value and results. The questions that make up the criteria represent several aspects of organizational management and performance are the leadership, strategy, customers, measurement, analysis and knowledge management. Okay, workforce, then operations, results. Okay, there is 3 sector specific version of Baldrige framework and are revised every 2 years. Those 3 sectors are Baldrige Excellence Framework for business and non-profit, and then second is for education and third is for healthcare. Okay, thank you.